right?
Holy.
You didn't see me make the
I videoed the whole thing.
hell. Oh, you talking about the two-step?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad I got that. I was gonna be mad if I didn't.
Yeah, I sat there for a minute and waited to make sure everybody was up there. Say hello, Keon. Look, guys, Keon's back out again. That's the guy with the LS Subaru. Yeah.
I thought it was.
So here's one of your fans right here.
Hey.
That's not one of the kids that was talking shit, I don't think. Last year. Not bad. Yeah, it was Campbell, and then there was another kid. Dude, I can't remember who. Oh, wait, no, they were talking shit to Andrew. Andrew with the Miata. 2.060 foot. There you go.
What it run?
Nothing crazy, 720.
And that's like...
I didn't really record an intro, so welcome back, y'all. I'm just kind of gonna throw some clips together. This is the first Thursday night of Greer Open. I don't know whether this will end up in a video, but it'll be somewhere. So I'm gonna make one more pass. I need tires. I'm chirping fucking fourth gear, man. Like, holy shit. That felt really good. I don't know if my radio was on or not. I didn't hear him. That thing is moving down the track. That's crazy. What was that, a 2.160 foot? Ah, that's slower. Why do the slower passes feel faster? Can video. I might just splice it together with another video. We'll see how it goes though. Say what's up. So we'll see what the next clip will be.
They got faster?
No, it was actually slower.
I looked faster.
That's what I was saying. It felt faster, but it only went a 750.
Huh?
107.9.
I thought it was
2.16. I don't know what happened. It was slower.
It looked fast.
Yeah, it felt fast.
When you shifting it in and forth, like right at.
Yeah, I'm chirping fourth gear.
But you're shifting it right at the line. Can you run it out just a little?
What's the quickest that thing's ran? 683. Holy shit. What do you got in it? Turbo LS.
Yeah, I just talked to him.
It'd run 5s if I could 60 foot.
Yeah, 216.
Yeah, I don't know. I left harder too.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
It looked way faster.
I don't know what happened. That's why I run
And you
no
figure,
time.
like-
'Cause everybody thinks I'm faster than I am.
Did that
Because it eats.
No, reaction's not part of it. See what?
That gas almost crashed.
Oh god.
He didn't hit
It's
it.
been having problems all night.
Crazy.
Dude, that two-step was fucking amazing.
The mile per hour was fast too. It was 107
You wanna be in the video?
Hell yeah.
It's right there.
Is it recording?
Say whatever you want.
What's up, Miata Khalifa fans?
Subscribe.
Hold on. This is my moment. This is my moment.
He's gonna. No.
Shameless plug right here.
Nah, he don't get. He don't get. Subscribe right here. See his YouTube channel?
Y'all don't know nothing.
These are my biggest
Y'all
fans.
know
They're
Yes,
always
sir.
commenting in
Campbell's
every single
Adventures
video.
and CCT Racing. I got a two.
Hashtag at handlebar.
Hashtag fuck yeah.
Demonetized.
Hell
Hell yeah,
He's
dude.
already getting shot out.
Do you want me to send you that two-step video?
I'm driving in fourth now.
How'd you get them tires?
I was wondering, I mean,
Dude,
can you?
Why don't I have my phone?